Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful Porsche Cayman S 2006, finished in very common, beautiful color, seal gray. As you can see, all the wheels, tires, everything's in excellent shape. 18-inch staggered setup. Beautiful interior. You can see all the surfaces, the door sills, the dashboard, passenger seat, excellent shape. This car only has, I believe, about 58,000 miles on it. Classic wide body, 3.4 liter, 295 horsepower, 0 to 60, I believe, in about 5 seconds, 171 mile an hour top speed. Got the factory red calipers. Driver's seat, all of the controls, driver's door, 58,887 miles. Non-smoking car, no strange pet odors. We will start it up for you real quick. Headlights, nice and clear. All right, if you're looking for a beautifully clean, low mileage Cayman with excellent service history, we have the Carfax available on our website. Give us a call, 858-382-1319. We can help ship this car all across the country, even internationally. Beautiful driving car. Thank you for watching.